Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about how to calculate the rate of reaction. In before my previous class I am going to talk about what is the basic introduction of chemical kinetics and what is the rate of reaction. Now my name is Uma Shankar. Start this section and see this board. Friends, in this video I am going to talk about calculation of rate of reaction. Friends, now we have to consider a general chemical reaction. The reaction is A is gives B. This is the reactants and products and stoichiometric coefficient is 1 and 1. Okay friends, and now what is the how to calculate the rate of reaction? In this chemical reaction, T is equal to 0 time. This reactants concentration is A0, product concentration is 0. And at T is equal to T time, what happened friends? Reactants concentration AT. And product concentration, now we have to represent it to the product concentration is Bt. Now in this case what happened friends? Now this is the, in this case At is greater than less than A0. Okay friends, this is the case. Now what happened friends? In this T is equal to T time, At equal to friends, in T is equal to T time, At is equal to A0 minus X. Now X moles is involved in the reaction at T is equal to T time. Now this is the At is equal to A0 minus X. Now what is the Bt in at T is equal to T time? Now this is the X moles is involved. Now B moles product is present in the, now X, the Bt value is X. Okay friends, this is the A0 is equal to A0 minus X and Bt is equal to X. This is the basic concept in T is equal to 0 time and T is equal to T time. Now we have to calculate the two important points, that is the rate of disappearance of A. This reactance is the concentration is decreases at T is equal to T time. Now this called as rate of disappearance. Now this is the T is equal to T time, B is the concentration is increases, this B is called as appearance of B. This is the two important points. Now we have to calculate the first one is the rate of disappearance of A. What is the rate of disappearance of A? Now you know that in rate of reaction is nothing but what is rate of reaction? Change in concentration by time, that is called as rate of reaction. Now rate of disappearance of A is equal to the change in concentration of A by change in time. This is the rate of disappearance. Now in this rate of disappearance, what happened in this reactance case? Now we have to calculate the change in concentration of A by change in T. Now we have to calculate now change in concentration of A by change in T. Friends, one more important point, rate is cannot negative, rate is positive. That is the main point, rate is cannot negative, because of the rate is the speed or velocity is cannot negative. It's the rate and rate of speed and time, these are the positive values. Now this is the rate is positive, that is the one more important point. In this case, reactance case, what happened? Change in concentration of A by change in time is equal to the, in this case what happened? Change in concentration of A is the initial minus final. Now initial is the final value is the At minus initial is A0 by change in time is the T minus 0. Now At is the A0 minus X. A0 minus X minus A0 by this is T. Now this is the A0 and A0 is cancelled. Now minus X by T is the value is present in the change in concentration of A by change in time is equal to minus X by T. Now this value is equal to the rate of disappearance is negative value is present in there friends. This one is the negative value is present in there, but rate is cannot negative, rate is only positive. Now this negative sign is neglect of this term. What happened friends? The formula is the rate of disappearance of is the minus change in concentration of A by change in time. Now this is the minus is multiplied to the these terms. What happened friends? what happened friends, this value is positive. Now rate is positive value is present in there. Now the rate of disappearance formula A is equal to minus change in concentration of A by change in time. This is the rate of disappearance. Okay friends, this is the rate of disappearance. Next one is the rate of appearance. Friends, rate of appearance of B. Rate of appearance of B. Friends, rate of appearance of B is equal to the change in concentration of B by change in concentration of B by change in time. Now change in concentration of B is the at initially, this is the at T is equal to T time BT, final minus initial is the T is equal to 0 time, this is the 0, and delta T is the change in time is the T minus 0. Now this is the BT by T. Now value is the BT value is X by T. Friends, rate of appearance of B is the X by T is present in there, and rate of disappearance is A is the X by T is present in there. Now these two are equal. Now this is the 1:1 ratio of the reactants and products. Now the rate of reaction, friends, the rate of reaction of this example, rate of reaction of this example is the rate of disappearance is the minus sign, and change in concentration of A by change in delta T is equal to the rate of disappearance of B is the change in concentration of B by change in time. This is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction of this reaction is the change in concentration of A by change in time is equal to change in concentration of B by change in time is equal to the X by 2. Is equal to the X by T is equal to the X by T. This is called as rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is the nothing but this is the rate of disappearance is equal to the rate of appearance. This is the basic concept of the rate of reaction. This is the formula. Now one more important point is present in the in this A is the stoichiometric coefficient 1 and this B is the stoichiometric coefficient B. Now this is the 1 and present in the. Now this is the rate of reaction formula. Now another example I am going to discuss. This is clear friends. This is arrays. Now I am going to talk about stoichiometric coefficient in next example. This is clear friends. This is arrays. Friends, next example is the 2A gives 3B. This is the 2 moles of A is gives 3 moles. This is the general reaction. Now at T is equal to 0 time, this is A naught and this is 0. At T is equal to T time, this is the AT equal to, and this is the BT. Now I am going to consider that this term is the concentration of BT at T is equal to T. Okay friends. Now what happened there friends? This example is the A moles is disappearance to form the 3B moles is appearance. Okay friends, 2A moles is disappearance to form the 3B moles of appearance. Now what happened there friends? In this example, this is the stoichiometric coefficient is present in there. Now AT is equal to A naught minus, this is the stoichiometric coefficient is 2 is present in there. Now this is called as 2x. For example, this is 3 is present in there. This is called as A naught minus 3x, and this is 4 is present in there. This is called as A naught minus 4x. This is the general basic concept. AT is equal to A naught minus 2x, and BT value is, this is the 2 moles of 2A moles is disappearance to form the 3B moles appearance. Now this BT is equal to 3x. It means this is the 2x moles is disappearance and to this form the 3x moles appearance. This is the 3x and this is the A naught minus 2x at T is equal to T time. Now we have to calculate the rate of disappearance of A. Rate of disappearance of A in this example is the minus change in concentration of A by change in time T. Now this value in this change in concentration of A by change in delta T value is substituting in this formula. Now what happened there? This is minus, and delta A value is the change in concentration of final minus initial. Now A naught, this is the delta A value is A naught minus this is the final and this is initial by time T minus 0. This is final and this is initial. Now what happened, friends? This is the A naught value is A naught minus 2x by A naught minus 2x minus A naught by this is the T, and minus is present in the, because of the this is the decreases of the discriminant or decreases of the concentration of reactants. Now what happened, the negative sign is present in there. This is the rate of disappearance of A formula is minus change in concentration of A by change in time T. Now this is the A naught and A naught is cancelled. This minus into minus is positive. Now this is the 2x by T. This is the rate of disappearance of this example is the 2x by T. Now rate of appearance of B. In this example, rate of appearance of B is the change in concentration of B by change in time. Now the value is substituting in this change in concentration of B by change in time. Now what is the values, friends? The values is this is the 3x minus 0 by T minus 0. Now this is the 3x by T. Okay friends, this is the rate of appearance of B is the 3x by T and rate of disappearance is the 2x by T. These two are cannot equal, but rate of reaction is the disappearance of A is equal to the appearance of B in this example, but these two are cannot equal. Now the rate of reaction, friends, in this example the rate of reaction is equal to the minus change in concentration of A by change in T is equal to the change in concentration of B by change in time. But in this example is the two stoichiometric coefficients are present in the, now this reaction is balanced. What happened, friends? Rate of reaction is equal to the minus 1 by 2 into change in concentration of A by delta T is equal to, this is the stoichiometric coefficient is 1 by 3. Now this is 1 by 3. Now change in concentration of B by delta T. Now this is called as rate of reaction of this example. Now this is the stoichiometric coefficient is multiplied to the in this, so reactance is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 3. Now what happened, friends? This is the rate of disappearance of A is the multiplied to the 1 by 2, 2 is cancelled, x by T is present in there. Now this is the 1 by 3 is multiplied, 3 is cancelled, x by T. Now what happened, friends? Rate of disappearance is x by T is equal to the rate of appearance of B is the x by T is equal. This is the concept of the rate of reaction is equal to minus 1 by 2 change in concentration of A by change in T is equal to 1 by 3 change in concentration of B by delta T. This is the stoichiometric coefficients are involved in the reaction. Now the equation is balanced. What happened, friends? This is the minus 1 by 2. That stoichiometric coefficient is by. This is the basic concept of the calculation of rate of reaction for in this example. Now next one more important example. This is clear, friends? This is arise. Friends, one more important example. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. Calculation of rate of reaction for this example. This example is the calculation of rate of reaction. Friends, first one is the rate of disappearance of N2. Rate of disappearance of N2 is the general formula is the minus change in concentration of N2 by change in time. This is the rate of disappearance of N2, and as well as rate of disappearance of H2 is equal to minus change in concentration of H2 by delta T. This is the general formula, friends. And rate of appearance of NH3 is equal to the positive change in concentration of NH3 by change in time t. Now we have to calculate the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction for this example is the what happened friends, stoichiometric coefficient is involved in this reaction. This is the 1 mole of rate of 1 mole of disappearance of N2. This is the 3 moles of disappearance of H2, and to form the 2 moles of appearance of N2. Now what is this stoichiometric coefficient is involved in this reaction. What happened there? The general formula of this reaction is the minus this stoichiometric coefficient 1 by 1 change in concentration of N2 by change in time t. Delta t is equal, this is the 3 is present in there. Now minus 1 by 3 change in concentration of H2 by delta t is equal to, this is the appearance. Now this is the positive 1 by 2 into change in concentration of NH3 by delta t. This is the concept of the calculation of rate of reaction. This example rate of reaction is the minus change in concentration of N2 by delta t is equal to minus 1 by 3 change in concentration of H2 by delta t is equal to plus 1 by 2 change in concentration of NH3 by dt. This is the concept of the calculation of rate of reaction. Friends, calculation of rate of reaction is need to the balance of, this is need to the balance of chemical reaction. Balance of chemical reaction. Finally, calculation of rate of reaction is need to balance of chemical reaction. This is the concept of the calculation of rate of reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.